How to switch from business account to personal account on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to change your business account to your personal account in Instagram. So it's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. So first of all you have to do is just open your Instagram account, and after that just click on the profile icon from the bottom, and from here just go to the hamburger icon from the top right, and now just click on settings and privacy. And here just scroll down and click on business tools and controls. And now when you scroll down, you will see this option called switch account type. So just tap on it. And now you will see these two options, either switch to personal account or switch to creator account. So all you have to do is just click on switch to personal account. And now it will ask you for your permission whether you really want to switch to a personal account or not. And after that, all you have to do is just click on switch to personal account. And there you go. Now your Instagram business account has been converted into a personal account. So this is basically how you will be able to switch your business account to a personal account on your Instagram account. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.